Hello guys, in this tutorial I would like to talk to you how to use solving this kind of order. So we need to go into a sketch on this plan. We just drawing an arc randomly and we extruded this arc with some distance, hit it apply. And next we still need to go into a sketch on this plan. We draw another kind of curve but kind of connected with this curve, and we still do extrude it with the same distance or different distance. Let's hit it apply. So in this scenario you could tell this is belongs to different sheet, and if I want to combine these two sheets into a one completely sheet, how I can do this? So you need to go to a menu, and in insert that has combine, and in combine there has a cell. So let's click this cell. I need to select this shade first, and then I need to select another shade, and let's just keep the tolerance as a default. So we need to hit it apply. If you click this cell in the tree function tree, you could show it's become a completely shit, right? So I'm going to click the sketch, and on this plane I'm drawing a rectangle, which I give a repeated dimensions into 30 by 30, and I extruded this rectangle, and by changing the body type from solid to sheet, and then you could got this very hollow shape there. Let's hit it apply. Next I'm going to extrude, and I need to change into a single curve that I can single selected these vertical lines, and then I need to select the directions into this directions, and with opposite directions let's just give it 30, right? And you could got this kind of shape. Hit it apply, and then the same way, and I need selected this edge, opposite directions, hit it apply. So you kind of got this kind of very solid shape. Actually is not solid, right? If you're going to a view and you're going to click, if you're going to add the sections, you could say it's hollow in the center, right? How I can make it become a solid? So I'm going to menu, insert, combine, going to sew. So this time you need selected one face, and then in tool we need to select the rest of the face you want to do the sew. And okay, let's just hit it apply. So gets, is it solid or non-solid? So we could check, right? We're going to view and we're going to add a section. Wow, it's become a solid. Okay, it's automatically could become a solid shapes when you're solving non-gap surface together. Let's hit it okay, and then turn off the click sections, go back to be a completely block in here. I would talk to you how to use a trim body. Okay, so let's go into a sketch, and then I'm drawing a very simple rectangle. It's trying to extrude this rectangles, right? Let's hit it apply. And if you go into a menu, insert in trim tab, there has trim body. Let's click this. And in the default about the tool, we find two options. One is you use the face or apply to trim the body. Another is new apply. So before that, we need to create a apply, right? So we're going to a sketch. On this surface, we're just drawing an arc. And remember, we need to extruded this kind of sketch. Let's hit it apply. So next, if we're going to a menu, insert, in a trim body, we need to select this body first. And in specific line, let's in default two options, let's change to face or apply. So we could select this face to doing the trim, right? Let's hit it apply. And we also could select it existed pline. For example, I just choose this pline, and I need still select this body, right? So I could trim this body by delete the upper part. If you're not selected, if you're not very satisfied with this, you could reverse the directions to change the options, right? Let's hit it apply. Another way you could do trim, you could just select this body and change the two options into new pline. So a new pline, you could just based on existed pline to create a new pline. For example, I hit the XZ pline of the datum, and then I drag this into some distance. Obviously, you could see it's already do the trim. And if you're not satisfied with these results, just could reverse the directions to get another part of this object. Let's hit it apply, right? Another thing I would like to tell you, if you're going to insert in a trim that has a delayed bodies, that you could directly delete the body you already created. Let's try this. So this is a face. If I hit it apply, you can see it's a bit delayed. Let's go back, Control Z, right? And it's also suitable for a solid object. So if you're going to insert, you're going to trim, and you delete the body, you delete this solid object by hit apply. You could directly delete this solid body. Next, I will introduce to you is insert in the trim. There has extend shade. Okay, if you hit the extend shade, we already have a shade in here. So I can select this edge. Here is a single edge. If I didn't select the single edge, we could select it maybe a connected edge. So I could select it all at connected edge at one time, right? We could got this offset millimeters. But if we want to have inner shrunk the size of the shape, is it kind of do like that? So I could try like -5. You could see it shrunk the size of the whole trim, whole sheet, right? Let's hit it apply. And there is another function I would like to talk with you is here menu insert in the trim that has a divide face. So if I hit the divide face, I select this face, and the two options is object. Let's just keep the object. Then I need to select the object. For examples, I select this pline. You could say it's just divided this face in the middle, right? Let's just hit it apply. Okay guys, today's tutorial just finished here. If you like my video, just could subscribe to my channel. If you have any question, just leave a comment to me. See you next class. Bye.